Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this beautiful day. It is wonderful to have you here today, and I cannot wait to get started on our circle time. So let's go ahead, start as we always do by standing up and saying the Pledge of Allegiance. Are you ready? Here we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes to our side and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we'll reach our dreams. All right, let's take a look at the month. It is the 15th day of June. And let's see, we're doing an ABC pattern. So let's figure out what the next one's going to be in our pattern. We can see it has sun and a sandcastle and a melting ice cream. And a sun and a sandcastle and a melting ice cream. And a sun and a sandcastle. What's going to be next right here? That's right, a melting ice cream. All right, I'm going to put that right there now. Tomorrow, I'm going to put a star, is our last day for preschool as far as circle time and story time goes. We will have our last Zoom on Thursday. I cannot wait to see everybody. We'll play a game. It's called Heads or Tails. We'll play that game for our last day of our Zoom. Let's sing our Days of the Week song to figure out what day of the week it is. Are you ready to sing with me? Here we go. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Here we go. Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Awesome. And today is Monday, June 15th, 2020. One more calendar and story tomorrow. And then we have our last Zoom on Thursday. Let's go ahead. What kind of weather do we have outside today? Well, it is my favorite kind of day. It's kind of cloudy and chilly. Got a nice fire going. I'm outside, so you might hear my rooster or some of my birds. It is a sunny with clouds today, partly sunny. What kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow for our last day of calendar? Sunny, partly sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy? No snow. I heard someone say sunny. I'm going to go ahead and put that in our prediction square. All right, let's go on and say our alphabet. Here we go. Everybody ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, let's count all the way to 20. Let's take some big breaths in and out. Get ready to count all the way to 20. Ready? One more big breath in and out. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whew! That's a lot of counting. All right, counting backwards from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's find some colors. All right, what color is this? Brown right here. White. Joy is yellow. Our fish, orange. Anger, red. And disgust, green. Good job. How about our shapes? What shape is this? Circle. Here. Rectangle. Right here. Square. This one. Oval. Right here. Octagon. This one. Triangle. This one. Diamond. What's the other name we could call it? All right. Good job, friends. Right here. Heart. And star. Let's go ahead and sing our shape song. Push the wrong button. There it goes. Nope, I pushed the wrong button again. Don't you? That's how I do it. There we go. Circle. Circle. Square. 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 Triangle. Triangle. Rectangle. Rectangle. Oval. Oval. Diamond. Diamond. Heart. Heart. Star. Star. Shapes have names, they're made of angles and lines. There are flat shapes and solid shapes, we see them all the time. Now I will say a shape, I want you to say it too. We'll play the shape, name, game, that is what we like to do. Rhombus. Rhombus. Good job. All right. Let's go on. Our nursery rhyme this week is Down by the Bay, where the watermelons grow.
By the Learning Station. Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow. Back to my home, I dare not go. For if I do, my mother will say. Have you ever seen a duck driving a truck? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow. Back to my home, I dare not go. For if I do, my mother will say. Have you ever seen a goat cruising on a boat? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow. Back to my home, I dare not go. For if I do, my mother will say. Have you ever seen a mouse building a house? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow. Back to my home, I dare not go. For if I do, my mother will say. Have you ever seen a frog dancing on a log? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow. Back to my home, I dare not go. For if I do, my mother will say. ever seen a bee sipping iced tea down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow? Back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, have you ever seen a fox putting on socks down by the bay, down by the bay, down by the bay?
All right. Did you hear the rhyming words? Fox and socks, goat and boat. All right, let's take a look at this money. What is this? Dime, nickel, penny, quarter. Excellent. All right, we are going to review some numbers. Are you ready to review some numbers? Okay. Let's start off with the number 1. Well, that's pretty easy. Grab a big line down and put it under Mr. Matt's smiling face. And there's the number 1. How about the number 2? Do you remember how to make the number 2? Yep, we need to have that big curve. And grab it from my pile. And then a little line. Make my little line a little bigger, I think. And there's my rooster. Make the number 2. Pieces are not playing well together this morning. Now my little line is a little too big. Let me see if I can make it a little smaller. Make it a little thinner is what I need. Alright, so there's our number 2. How about 3? Little curve, little curve. Swing it around. Are number 3. Excellent. And we will work on the number 4 as our last one. Let's get all of our pieces, our big line. Little line. Our other little line. Grab it. Everything but the line. There we go. Awesome job, friends. And tomorrow we'll work on 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I hope you have a great day. And I will see you back here tomorrow for our last circle time. Have a wonderful afternoon. Excuse me. Sorry. Have a wonderful afternoon, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.